The latest wireless earbuds from Sony in 2024, the WF-1000XM5. These earbuds are designed to deliver top-tier sound quality and noise-canceling capabilities. Here are the key details. Battery life up to 8 hours of playback with ANC on, with the charging case providing an additional 16 hours, totaling 24 hours. Charging time, around 5 hours for a full charge. Key features: dynamic driver C8, 4mm drivers for enhanced sound quality, noise cancellation, improved ANC with 3 microphones per earbud, and advanced processors, call quality, AI-based noise reduction, and bone conduction sensors for clear calls. Connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3 with multi-point connectivity support. Design, smaller and lighter than the previous model, WF-1000XM4, with a sleek design and comfortable fit. These earbuds are aimed at providing a premium listening experience with features like adaptive sound control, 360 reality audio, and intuitive touch controls. Are priced at approximately Rs 219.89 in India.